hope you're having a great day. Today, I'm going to give you an update on my seedlings. I wanted to say hi first because that room makes me just totally glow pink. But of course I don't want to turn off my grow lights because my plants need it. I've been doing a little bit of cleanup at the farm. I had some metal and some fencing that needed to go to the dump. I didn't video it. I do see a lot of people video all of that stuff, so maybe you guys would like to see because it is part of the transformation. I'm not really sure, but I did not video that. And the fast facts videos are still coming. I didn't want to overburden everybody and just put a whole bunch out at a time, but then now there's one every day, and I think that's fine to scroll by. If you haven't seen the video where I explain why I did that, I'll try to throw it up here. Last time I threw one up, it didn't actually show up, but I see it, so I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. I'll try to get that right this time. But let's go down to my basement and check out my seedlings. So the plants are looking really good, and I'm getting ready. I have a lot of seeds to start in the upcoming 2 weeks, all the 6 to 8 week ones. So I'm gonna have to find some room on my shelves. I think I have Ageratum, which I love. I'm gonna be starting it, bunny tails, a whole slew of new plants to start. I can't wait. And I'm gonna be able to start putting some of these cool flowers like the Lisianthus and the Snapdragons. I could move them out to the field probably in a few weeks. I know I could do it now, but I don't have the low tunnels. And I do have frost cloth though, so last year I put them out early and then I'd run out there and do the frost cloth, which I don't even think is needed. So maybe in a couple weeks here, 2, 3, 4 weeks, maybe I'll be putting them out in the field. That'll give me more room in here to start more seeds to move out to the field at a later date. Oh, I'm so excited for the season.